is the Spec 2 division of the IGVC competition. It's brand new this year.
We didn't have this vehicle in the beginning of this semester. So, they developed, its own simulator first.
We've been working on sort of preparing for it using smaller robots and simulations. We've been able to write some of the code base.
Currently we're running Ubuntu Linux 16.04 specifically. And then we run a program called ROS on that. It stands for Robot Operating System. It allows us to take our software, package it all up, and then have it talk to its other parts.
It's very exciting. When we first saw the vehicle, the person giving us the demo had a joystick set up for it. And it was the first time I've ever driven a physical vehicle with a game controller. So it was a very weird experience and very cool at the same time. And since then, we've implemented a lot of those features.
It's been really nice to just have a vehicle that is here, that we can program, and that works reliably. So Dataspeed has done a really wonderful job with that.
We're able to just send commands and just let it take care of all of the physical stuff by itself. Which will just immediately put the brakes and stop the vehicle. In addition to that, the LiDAR on the front, if something gets too close to the LiDAR on the front, it'll engage the same e-stop command. So we have that as well, so it doesn't hit any obstacles, including humans.
So we pick out any straight lines that are anywhere from vertical to a slope of 1/2. And this is what our actual lane following algorithm works off of, which is shown here.
All day yesterday and the day before, we were able to run the vehicle around on this course just to sort of practice it and test our systems. We've gotten to a point now where it's much more reliable and it's able to pick up on those lanes very well and follow them a lot more consistently.
We've been the only car that's been out really following the lines and stopping at the stop signs and really playing the competition as we're supposed to next year. And while that's not super important this year, as this is more a showcase of the Spec 2 cars at IGVC, I think we are in the best position out of the 3 cars that are here today.
We worked with Dataspeed to actually get the drive-by-wire system installed, and we've had great experience with them. First of all, the system that they actually implemented is very reliable and it works fantastically.
That reliability is the reason that we have been the car out here testing and driving around, whereas the other 2 Spec 2 cars have stayed mostly in the tent working on their systems. This is as much a learning experience for them as it is for us. So we've gotten tons of knowledge on what to expect from IGVC next year in the Spec 2 competition, but in the same way, they're learning from us kind of what they need to do to create a great competition for us. How we need to change the lines, and maybe it'd be helpful if we cut or don't cut the grass. So they're going to be taking that feedback from us and improving the competition next year.
Did very well in the design competition as well is Lauren Spec.
We are really proud of what they have done this semester. For one semester to achieve up to here, this is amazing.
I'm sure to Dataspeed and MOBIS that this investment is an investment into the future. I'm sure that's the reason why they're so invested in this.
I'd like to thank our main sponsors, Hyundai MOBIS and Dataspeed, for providing this wonderful educational opportunity for Lawrence Tech students to learn about the leading edge technologies for self-driving and autonomous vehicles. Thank you.